Welcome to the Rapid Australian Assessment Online. This tutorial will take you through how to complete an assessment of your workstation. From the home page, click on Start an Assessment. At any time, you can watch this tutorial over by selecting the video located here. If you are ready to start your assessment, click on Start. The assessment screen consists of two primary components. The one are the pictures and the inputs to where you will record the risk factors you have found in your office. The second component is a video tutorial on how to actually perform the assessment of that component of the office. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's look at the chair height. Your chair should be positioned so that your knees are at 90 degrees with your feet flat on the floor. In the situation seen here, the worker will report that their chair is not at the right height, and in fact, their chair is too high and their knee angle is greater than 90 degrees. To record that risk factor, select the input underneath the picture that is appropriate for the risk factor you are recording. One of the more important inputs is related to the adjustability of that chair. After you've watched the video, recorded your risk factor, try to attempt to remove it by following the instructions on screen. If you are not able to adjust that risk factor, select Non-Adjustable. Once you have viewed the video and you've selected the risk factors appropriate to that section, click Next to advance. The ROSA assessment will now proceed through the chair depth component. After moving through chair depth, an assessment of the armrests will be done, and then the chair back. This leads to another component during the ROSA assessment. In addition to the risk factors that you are reporting at the office, we also want to find out information on how long you're using individual components of your workstation throughout the day. An example here will indicate that the work surface is too high and there is no lumbar support. Additionally, we will report that we are using the chair for greater than 4 hours per day. The assessment then proceeds through the monitor section. Once again, you can view the video and find out information on how to assess this component of the office, as well as watch short clips on how to perform adjustments. The telephone is the next section. Indicate the positions that you use your telephone in, as well as the duration that the telephone is used per day. The final two sections are the mouse and the keyboard. Once again, indicate which risk factors you see and how long you are using the mouse per day. Videos are available in the top corner that can provide you with help on how to perform adjustments. Finally, the keyboard tray and the keyboard itself. Indicate what your working position was, as well as the duration, and click Finish. This will take us to the final screen. This is your ROSA Ergonomics Evaluation Report. Your ROSA scores are displayed here, as well as the time that you completed the assessment. Scrolling down, here's a summary of the risk factors that you've found in the office. This can be used in the future to reference and determine how changes have been made as a result of either new products or adjustments you've made to the office. Selecting Home will redirect you to your User Information Summary page. At the bottom of this page, you can view your assessment history, and this will tell you what your ROSA scores have been over time and if you've seen any improvements during that course. That's all. If you have any information or any questions that you would like answered, contact your system administrator. Thanks and have a great day.